The Lamborghini Miura is a name that resonates deeply in the world of automotive enthusiasts. Released in 1966, it's regarded as one of the most influential supercars ever built, forever changing the landscape of high-performance vehicles. But today, the Miura is at the center of a heated debate as some owners are choosing to modify the iconic machine in ways that are upsetting many purists. With engine swaps, modern suspension systems, and updated bodywork, these changes are raising questions about how far is too far when it comes to altering a piece of automotive history. To understand the significance of the Miura, it's important to appreciate its history. Designed by the legendary Marcello Gandini at Bertone, the Miura was one of the first true mid-engine supercars and became an instant icon. Its striking appearance, characterized by sweeping curves and a low, aggressive stance, made it a symbol of Italian engineering and luxury. Underneath the hood, the Miura packed a 3.9-liter V12 engine that made it one of the fastest cars of its era. It was a masterpiece of design and performance, earning a place as one of the most desirable classic cars of all time. Over the years, the Miura has earned a loyal following, and for good reason. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. But recently, this perfection has come under the knife of modern-day restorers and car enthusiasts. Some Miuras are being outfitted with new powertrains, contemporary suspension systems, and even reshaped body panels. While these modifications are made with the goal of improving drivability or enhancing performance, they have sparked a debate over what it means to preserve such a legendary car. The rationale behind these modifications is clear: modern cars are more powerful, safer, and better suited to contemporary roads and driving conditions. Classic supercars like the Miura, while groundbreaking in their time, were not designed with today's safety standards, traffic conditions, or technological advancements in mind. For example, the Miura's original braking system and suspension were cutting-edge in the 1960s but can feel outdated or even dangerous in modern traffic. The V12 engine, while powerful for its era, lacks the output of today's performance engines. As a result, some Miura owners are choosing to upgrade their cars to meet modern demands, improving the driving experience and overall usability of the vehicle. For others, the appeal of modifications lies in performance. The Miura was fast for its day, but when compared to today's supercars, its acceleration and top speed can seem tame. Many owners are opting for engine swaps or other performance upgrades to give the Miura a modern edge, aiming to elevate its driving dynamics to match contemporary supercar standards. However, not all Miura enthusiasts are thrilled by these changes. For purists, the Miura is an automotive masterpiece, and any alteration to its original form is seen as a betrayal. These cars are not just machines, they are pieces of history, embodying the craftsmanship and innovation of their time. To them, modifying a Miura, especially replacing the original engine, diminishes the car's authenticity and strips away the very essence that made it so special in the first place. The debate over modifying versus restoring classic cars is nothing new. Restoration aims to return a car to its original condition, using period-correct parts and adhering to factory specifications. Modifications, however, involve altering the car to meet modern standards or personal tastes. While some modifications can enhance the driving experience, for many, the Miura's appeal lies in its unaltered design and engineering. As the Miura's legacy continues to evolve, the question remains: should we preserve these iconic cars in their original form, or is it acceptable to update them for modern performance and practicality? The Lamborghini Miura will always be a symbol of automotive excellence, but how future generations view these modifications will ultimately determine the balance between preserving its history and embracing progress. For now, one thing is clear: whether purists or performance enthusiasts, the Miura continues to captivate and inspire. Its place in automotive history is secure, but as these modifications make headlines, it's fascinating to consider how much the Miura's legacy will change in the years to come.